What's up everybody, and please welcome. On today's video I'm gonna be creating an image view in JavaFX. Now I know it could be pretty tedious to get started with this image view. It is pretty much harder than it looks, okay? Because it uses uh it uses a different kind of directory, okay? So let's go right into it and let's create a new project. Let's name it image view demo. I know some of you are asking yourself, why is this guy creating the simple videos at, towards the end of his tutorial series? Well, here's the reason. Uh, it is better to start with the creation of things that are harder than to begin with things that are just simple and going up, okay? So I decided to take a different route with my videos, and I decided that I have to create videos which are hard first, and I'll end up creating others which are not so hard, okay? So let's just create a scene, okay? Let's give it the size of the whole screen, okay? Now let's preview it and see if how big it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, so right now what I need us to do to look into is an image view, right? So here's the image view. You can just place it anywhere. I want it to fill the screen, and with this image view, the problematic part appears here, where you're supposed to input the image, okay? So let's go ahead and navigate to our our file manager, so that we can choose a good video, a good image for our video, okay? So I have right here some wallpapers, and I would like to use this one for our this one right here for our for the sake of our video. So let's copy it and let's paste it right here. It is wise to create um, folders for every single it is wise to create folders for every single uh, element in your application, but for demonstration purposes I'll just create this. I will just create it like this, okay? So right now let's go back to our scene builder, and what you need to do is to select this image. All right, so it is showing that from it is from our from our project folder right into our scene builder. So let's see if it works. Okay, it is working in scene builder, but will it work just the same in our application? All right, let's check that out. Right now what I need to do is to make controller before running everything, and let's run it. Okay, it is showing. Well, it is pretty simple like that. If you do it in scene builder, it is even simpler, and it will just work just fine. Right, thank you everybody for watching, and please check out my other videos and subscribe and leave a thumbs up on this video if you like it. I'll see you in the next video.